Hello students, welcome to class. It's time to teach some vegan facts. We're here just dropping into a random live that we found. We're going to be polite and we're just going to see what happens. Talking about veganism. The last comment I posted was about vegan ice cream. Online activism. The goal is to assure that as many people as possible per day hear or see the word vegan. The goal is to remind people that veganism is a thing and that the animals they are eating had a right to live. Be kind. Remember you're in their home. Tell them you like the music and just try to have a good attitude in general. And I tell them that I'm filming the comments. Whoops, typo. You can see that people are writing about all kinds of things. One person just wrote, "Jesus, help me stop smoking." You don't have to talk to them. Just write, "Be kind to animals," and things like that. At first, nobody will respond to you. At first, most people pretend not to see your comments because they're in shock and don't know how to react. But they're reading them and thinking about what you're typing. If you're having fun dancing and the music suddenly changes, just go with it. That's okay. What if we melt our hearts? Just keep posting vegan facts. Here I'm reminding people that they can buy the vegan versions of things. Nobody expects you to say eat beans or eat lentils, and so you're getting their attention. Keep going. Tell them to buy soy milk, for example. You can also just randomly tell them that you had tofu for lunch and see how they respond. And bingo, just like that, you got them to think about veganism. By the way, if you do like to dance, make sure you join me on my TikTok channel, Music by That Vegan Teacher, where I go live almost every day. And somebody named Rowan says, "Vegan teacher, I'm vegan." And it's always extra fun when you find another vegan in the house. Let's pop in a vegan grocery list. Somebody named Nick says that they're not vegetarian. Now, you might not have time to talk about vegetarianism and how that's not good because vegetarians still drink milk, which comes from stealing from baby cows, but just do the best you can. And let's remind them that a study by an international team of ecologists and economists have predicted that by 2048, we could see completely fishless oceans. The cause, disappearance of species due to overfishing. Now, of course, all of this is very sad, but today, we're allowed to have fun. We're allowed to dance while we do our activism. And you can also remind them that vegan sour cream is a thing. You can tell people that you had oatmeal for breakfast with chia seeds and fruit and walnuts and ask them what they ate. Okay, another copy and paste. This time, we write. When we see animals suffering, we should not suppress our tears. It's normal to cry and then to become vegan after we learn what the animals go through. Why pay for murder if you don't have to? And then another person notices, again, about the killing of the plants. So silly. But we continue, and we copy and paste another comment. Animals, like people, are not food or clothing. If your cat, dog, or friend died, you would not eat them or rip off their skin to wear them. Be morally consistent and be vegan from now on. We can ask them, did you eat a vegan burger today? We can thank them for being here, even if it's not our channel. And then we notice that the other vegan here is educating people and saying, plants don't have blood inside. So good job, Rowan. And we keep educating. You're right. Animals are not our slaves. Using animals in any way is wrong. They should not be bred into existence just for us to manipulate. Animals are here for themselves and their own communities, not for us. And then somebody's angry that I'm not answering their question. They don't realize that I'm trying to film this at the same time and dance, and that I'm really just here, not to debate, but simply to educate and drop some facts. So I wrote, animals are not here for us, they're here with us. It's okay to be helpful, but it's not okay to use them or breed them as if they're objects just for our own benefit. And thankfully, people are listening. Everyone here was born vegan. They just don't remember, but they never wanted to hurt animals. Our job is to remind them. And another one. Animals are not objects. They're not commodities. They're not decorations. They're not entertainment. They're not toys. They're not gifts. They're not food. Animals are not here for us. They are here for their own reasons. And that's one of the important messages that I'm trying to get across here today. We can type things like, hey, did you know that vegan marshmallows exist? And now to engage, we just randomly tag somebody. We just say hi to them. I don't know this person, but now she'll see the word vegan in my title, That Vegan Teacher. And maybe she'll be curious enough to come to my account and see my videos. You never know. I type, who else is dancing? Just because I'm having fun in the moment. And then somebody starts to talk about the food chain and acts as if they're some sort of a lion with claws. And they don't understand that billions of animals are bred into existence right now. Everybody seems to think that we are somehow out there hunting them all, but that's not what really happens. Anyway, I remind them, don't eat chickens, cows, pigs, turkeys, fish, or lambs. Animals have a right to their body integrity. We have no right to take them from their homes. When will our world change? When you do. Go vegan. By the way, if you want to see more of what I'm up to, and want to see my dog Bella, and all kinds of different things, subscribe, press the notification bell so you don't miss any videos in the future. And so it goes on like this for quite a while. I do this while I get my exercise, and just every once in a while type something down. So I just wanted to let you know, this is part of my day. If this is something that you would like to do, feel free. You don't have to show your face at all. You just need a YouTube account, and you just go in there and educate people. Thanks for being here. See you all in the next video. Bye for now. Underneath the covers. No, we ain't never putting out the fire. I wanna be your summer.